Hello, Sparkling Jewels, my jewels. This is your girl, April. As you can tell from the title, I am here today to ease your mind with your sale taxes. I want to start off with this disclaimer before we get started, just to let you know that I am not a CPA or a licensed accountant. I cannot give you any financial advice or state taxes, county taxes advice. I am only here to show you how I do my taxes, my sale taxes, and hopefully it can help ease your mind because I know when I first started, I looked at this and I was completely lost. And it's not as hard as it seems. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump into it. Okay, my jewels, let's go ahead. If you want to go ahead and type in your web browser, your state website to get to do your sale taxes. As you can tell, I am located in the state of Florida. So if you're in Florida, this here will be more direct to you. However, if you are in a different state, your state sale taxes should not be that much different than the look of the Florida website. So let's, if you want to just go ahead and type in your browser and it should bring you to this page, the Florida Department of Revenue. Okay, and then you're going to click on the general tax. And then we're going to go up on the file and pay taxes and fees. Then you're going to scroll down to sales and use tax. And when you click on that, it should bring you to this page here. If you have been on this page before and created a username and password, go ahead and sign in. If not, you're going to use your certificate number and your business partner number. These two numbers here could be found in your package that was mailed out to you from the Department of Revenue when you first signed up for your sale taxes. If for any reason you have misplaced it, because I have done before, you can go ahead and you can call Department of Revenue and they will provide you with that information. So go ahead and put my information in one moment. Okay, my jewels, I just want to let you guys know that none of the information that I put into this page is correct information. This is not my information. This isn't anybody information. All of these are just numbers that are just completely out in the air just to give you guys examples. Okay, so once you get past that previous page, it will bring you to the bulletin board. Within the bulletin board, they give you information on things that's new with your state taxes. You're more than welcome to go ahead and read. When you're done, just click next. Okay, when you click next, it should bring you over to this page here, the file and pay access menu. So your sale taxes is due quarterly. And up here, they give you your months that falls for your quarterly sale taxes. Yeah. So then you're going to go ahead and you're going to click into sell and use taxes. I'm sorry, sell and use tax. which will bring you over to the File and Pay page. The payment only is for if the Department of Revenue have informed you that you owe taxes or you have a balance of any kind, you can just click here to just make a payment. But when you're filing and paying, or just filing, you're going to click the File and Pay DR15, Sale and Use Return. The amended DR15 is the form that you would need to fill out if you, for any reason, made a mistake or you need to make changes or anything that's dealing with change. You will use the amend form. So we're going to go into the DR15 Sale and Use Return. Okay, once again, like I said, none of the information is my information. It doesn't belong to anyone. It's just for demonstration purpose only. So right here, your surtax rate, the number that will be shown here, it's only like the code to let the Department of Revenue know what county you are located in. So, and then your collection period is the dates that I showed you guys in the quarterly dates that your taxes are due. So these are your filing dates that you're filing for. You want to make sure that you are clicking on the correct date. And also you want to make sure that you keep record of the dates that you have filed, because the system will not inform you that you have already filed for a tax period. So you want to make sure you keep record of what you have already filed, or you will be doing extra work. Okay, so we're going to file April to June. Make sure that date is marked. And then if you can open up a separate browser really quick before we get started, because we need to jot down your county tax and your state tax. We need to know the rate. So let's just say we're going to use this county taxes. The county tax is 1%. So make sure we write that 1% down. And I'm in Florida, and Florida state tax is 6%. Okay. So now let's go back over to the Department of Revenue and just go ahead and fill in all your information here, your signature, your phone number, your email, and what your demographics, your little small demographic here. All right, so let's get into it. Let's get into it. So, like I said, this is not my information, but I'm showing you how I do it. And so section A is sales, service, and electricity. I use A. A is about the only one that I use because I don't have taxable purchase, commercial rentals, like scholarship credit, transit rentals, food and vending machines, things like that. I don't have that type of business. But if you do, you want to go ahead and jot down your numbers there. So let's just go back to A so I can explain to you what these different columns, how they work, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So your gross sales is the amount of sales that you have made from April to June. So let's just say we made $10,000. from April to June, right? And now your exempt sales is all of your sales that you have made outside of Florida. Once again, all of your sales that you have made outside of Florida. So let's just say we only sold $1,000 of goods in Florida, which will leave us. Okay, so I'm just going to bring up the calculator because if you guys are like anything like me, I'm a visual learner. So I'm going to just show you, even though this is simple math, I'm just going to show you how I get these numbers. So your gross sales, 10,000 minus the $1,000 that we have of product that we have sold within the state of Florida. Which brings us to $9,000. So we have sold 9,000 of product outside of Florida. So we're going to put 9,000 here. And bam, the taxable amount is the amount that you have sold in your state, which is the 1,000. And the system, as you can see, have calculated for us. So now, tax due. You want to know what we are paying here. So your tax due would be your county tax, because we owe county tax, which was the 1%, and we owe your state tax, which is the 6%. So once again, simple math, but I'm going to show you. You have your 6% plus your 1% equals the 7%, right? Okay, and to get that number, your tax due, I'm going to bring up the calculator, simple math, but like I say, I am a visual learner. So you take your taxable amount, 1,000, and you times your tax that is due, your county tax and your state tax, which come to a total of 7% times 7%, $70 is what you owe. The taxable purchase is things that you have purchased, but you did not pay taxes on. So this doesn't apply to me. We are selling things. So like I said before, none of this apply to me. I am sales and I do services. Your total amount of tax due is $70. System calculates everything for you. Your net tax due $70. Okay, so that part is done. Amount due with return is $70. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. You're more than welcome to read everything, and if anything applies to you, you can do your research, or you can contact a CPA to get information. However, like I said, I am only showing you how I file my sales taxes. So I don't use 15A, I don't use 15B, I don't use 15C. I only use 15D. I don't use 16, I don't use line 17, I don't use 18, 19, 20, 21. I don't use any of those. I only use 15D, total amount of sales surtax due. I only use 15D, the total amount, which is your county taxes. You just want the number of, they just want the amount of county taxes. And how we get this information, bring up the calculator. Once again, easy math, but hey, I'm a visual learner. So remember, our county tax was 1%, correct? So how we get this number here for line 15D, you're gonna scroll back up, and you're gonna take your taxable amount, $1,000. You're gonna times it by the 1%, which is $10. So that is what we're gonna put here, $10. Line 15D is not added to your total amount due for your return. This is what we pay, $70. They just want you to separate and show here how much of the taxes, how much of the $70 will go to your county, which is $10, and the rest will go to the state. So $10 will go to the county, and the rest, the remainder balance of the $70 will go to the state. And we're all done. You hit next, pay your $70, and you're done with your sales taxes. And I just want to let you guys know, if you have not made any sales, they still want you to file. And that filing is simple. It's easy. You just hit zeros. You just hit zeros. Everywhere where you see I place numbers, just place zeros. Hit next, take you to the next page, and file. You have nothing to pay. So my jewels, I just want to say thank you guys for staying tuned. I hope that this would help you. Like I say, I'm not a CPA. I'm not a licensed accountant. I just know it was very hard for me, and I wanted to completely pull my hair out because I just thought it was like, what is all this? What is all this? Like, I was really like freaking out. So I just wanted to come on here, and I just wanted to ease you guys' mind to let you guys know that it's not that hard. And if you have questions, you can always call your Department of Revenue, and they can try to assist you the best that they can, or you can contact a CPA and let them assist you, or you can Google and do your own research. So bye, my jewels. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not already became a jewel, and leave a comment. Like I say, I like all comments, the good and the bad, because if you don't have any bad, like I like bad criticism. You guys know that. Bring it to me. It's how it helps me fix myself. Bye, my jewels. Until next time.